Hello everybody, it's your girl Salom here. Welcome back to Visionaries Auto. It's been a minute without you guys seeing me, and I have, hey dude.
Hello right there, my name is Tim. How you been? Long time.
It's been a minute. You look so sad. What happened?
It's kind of difficult to see a beautiful car like this in such a condition.
Which other car did you see being out of condition?
There's one parked outside. You want to see it out?
Yeah, definitely. Let's go.
Let's go. So you check it out. Damn. Here's the car I was telling you about.
Really? Let me take a closer look at how. What?
That's what.
Dude, this car is gone. I mean, like, it actually reminds me of a car that I once did last time. It also had an accident. That was an X5, and we converted it into an X5M. But trust me, it wasn't this bad. This thing is gone. I mean, like, it's really bad. And just taking an overall look at this car, I can guess it was once modified. Take a look at the headlights.
That's true. It was modified.
Right, it was once modified. Let me take a look at the back and see if I got this right. Definitely. If you take a look at this tail lights. It's giving modified vibes, and this is selling you out because the people who modified this, I think they didn't really match the perfect size, because this one is actually outside.
Right. It was modified to a 223.
Right. Yeah, I knew. I could tell.
The owner wasn't really satisfied with what, wasn't satisfied with what was done to the car.
I mean, who would be satisfied? I wouldn't be.
We had to change it to an AMG body kit. So now we're taking it back to a Brabus body kit.
Oh, now I can see. And then I think, how did you get this customer to choose you?
He saw one of our videos on YouTube where we modified from a 223, a 221 to a 223. So,
that video is trending, dude.
So he contacted us to do the job for him. So yeah.
Yeah, so I think, judging by what you just said, he trusts Victioning and he is satisfied with our work.
We have professionals on the job, so yeah.
Yeah, I can tell, but bet you, even if you give me 10 grand, I wouldn't want this car. Man, it's really gone. What are you gonna do? What magic are you gonna work?
I mean, rather than spending money and buying a brand new car, you can just upgrade the body kit. And I mean, the car is not damaged. It was just in an accident.
Look at what others did.
Look, it's just the exterior.
That's extra work.
It's not that difficult. Once you get the right body kit, you can get the job done very easily.
Are you sure?
Trust me.
You can tackle it.
Definitely. Just stay tuned and you're gonna see the magic being done.
Okay. I trust you, so I'm gonna see as well. And then you guys, if you like this kind of modifications, you can comment in the comment section. And if it's your first time to be with us, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.
All right, see you next time, guys.
Okay, bye-bye.
Pay is another dollar, we getting paid. Another day, another dollar, living in the bay. Hustle for my baby, trying to pay in my escape. I ain't staying in the matrix, really trying to get my papers. Pay is another dollar, we getting paid. Another day, another dollar, living in the bay. Hustle for my baby, trying to pay in my escape. I ain't staying in the matrix, really trying to get my papers.
Hello, I'm back here, guys. So personally, I think modifications is like renovating a house, because if you renovate your house, it's gonna become comfortable, cozy. The same goes for modifying a car. It's gonna be attractive and it's gonna give you a new experience of driving. So right behind me is a Mercedes S-Class. This car has undergone some huge transformation. So from its old version to how new and good it is looking, it has been meticulously upgraded. So as you can see, the grille is unique, guys. It's really nice. It also improves the airflow of the car while you are driving. We also have the side skirts. I think we're gonna use this side. Come along. As you can see, the side skirts, they usually widen the car, and these ones, they are really matching, like the color is really matching with the original color of the car. Okay, we also have the rear part. We have the rear bumper. Here we have this rear spoiler, guys. Amazing. It gives sportiness to the car, and some of you will actually notice the Brabus part. We're gonna go there later. So this body kit, guys, it's really impeccable. What I mean is, like, it suits this W223. Originally it was an S-Class W223, which we use the AMG Line body kit to upgrade it like this. So before, some of you might have seen my video, I showed you this part. Like here, it was a little bit open. The body kit was not really fitting the original car, which is why the owner of the car was not satisfied. But looking at this AMG line, I'm telling you, impeccable, perfect. So this is what we talk about when we talk about modification.
Okay. God, how did I end up this way? Think I'm getting used to this pain, and I only got myself to blame.
Today it's a little bit dark and I'm representing a black car, so I decided to wear white so that it can match. On this one, you can see we have added this illuminated fog lights. They're gonna actually increase the lighting during driving at night. Not only that, we also have the rear part has been upgraded. And at the rear part, you can see we have this rear spoiler. It actually aids to the sportiness of the car. So this is basically the Brabus body kit. So this is gonna be one of a kind, the car on the road, because it has the W223 body kit on it, an AMG line on this one, and also has a Brabus body kit on it. So if you want your car to be looking like this, contact us in the comment section.